Being alone is amazing. Everybody says you will never get your 20s back. But you know what else you won't get back? Your time. In this video, I'm going to talk about why your 20s is the perfect time to be alone and how you can use that time to your advantage. Your 20s, believe it or not, is a time where things are quiet. There's not as much drama in your life, hopefully, and you aren't stressed from 50 homework assignments or final projects that you have.
Why didn't you answer me the first time I said it, huh? I'm just asking, I said it like 4 times, so why didn't you say it the first time I said Aaron?
Because it's pronounced Aaron?
Son of a...
Yes, you have bills and responsibilities, but you don't have so many responsibilities that it restricts your freedom. After 5 p.m., you're free to do whatever you want. You can go out with your friends, invest in a business idea, learn a new skill, try to become a content creation YouTube sensation. Anyways, you don't have to go back to kids or being married or any type of other responsibilities that people will have in their 30s or 40s. And most people will try to fill that time in the day. When people are alone, they'll try to distract themselves with anything to feel like they're alive. But that's ignoring one of the most beautiful things that you have from leaving the education system. The space to focus on what you want to do. And every time you go out because a friend invited you or because you wanted to go to brunch so that you didn't miss out, you dedicate your time towards other people, which isn't always a bad thing. Where it gets bad is if you don't put time toward yourself and your ambitions. The amount of returns that we get from investing our time in other people will never be as much as the returns from when we're investing in ourselves. So if you want to try putting some time towards yourself, there's 2 things you can do. The first thing is to subscribe to my channel. There's no better way to start investing in yourself than watching self-improvement content. I feel like the shameless promotions are getting worse with every video. Anyways, the second thing to try is to split your time into 2 things. Things that will improve your life and things that will help you de-stress. Your current job, even if you don't like it, will improve your life. It sounds weird to say, especially if you don't like your job, but it pays your bills, it makes sure that there's food in your fridge, it keeps a roof over your head. It allows you to maintain a certain level of physical health. Spending time with your friends is something that falls into de-stressing. In the same sense, you can't go back to improving your life if you're not mentally okay. I spent countless hours working on things that I'm passionate about, and so that advice really comes from a place of trial and error. If you split time up this way, you'll naturally feel what's good for you and move at a pace where you're enjoying and improving your life. The truth is that everyone is alive for one reason: to live a happy life. And as you ask yourself what it takes to have a happy life, you'll start to find that the things that you love doing takes a lot of time and effort alone to do it well. And so if we're aiming for a happy life, if we're trying to work as hard as we can towards it, spending our time realistically becomes jumping between the things that we are passionate about and recovering fast so that we can get back to the things that we love. Don't be scared of how long it takes to recover. Sometimes you just need a longer break. Don't be discouraged if you fail while trying to learn things. That's normal. It's all a part of achieving a better life. If you've made it this far, I hope that you look a little bit more forward towards being alone. I know it can be lonely, but things will feel less lonely when you start to fill that space with things that you enjoy. I know that you were meant for more, so now I need you to believe it. If you liked the video, any type of support is appreciated. Let me know what you would like to learn more about. And as always, keep improving, stay productive, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.